Busshead grandma remembering her last moment with him.
Love you, bro.
No reason, no cause, him no bad man. Him never kill a fly from the day him born. Him don't make war with nobody. Him is a peace man. The other time you hear him out loud into this house is when he's on TikTok. Anytime him a play a match, the whole house tear down. Him tear out all the window them because of TikTok. That is what it is. And I don't trouble him. I don't make him be a problem when him a make him nice. All me do me jump in door tight. That's all me do. Jump in door and lock him inside. I love him so much. And I miss him so much. And I know that the TikTokers them love him too, regardless of now when you look at foo-foo talking when you're not ready. That is just a game. And I don't put that on my head. I know I love him. And him leave here, him leave me Friday. He leave me on the veranda sitting Friday. I said, Mommy, I'm going to do me here. And them boys and girls watching for the live right through him doing here. And send him to tour. And a party are come out of the place to come home now. And the boy just meet him at the corner and shoot him. He never live to come home. He never live to come home. All the plan me have some buy some fish Saturday morning early. I get them for fry him. His friend them will come. I don't know who come in. But the amount of smart him tell say, I'm birthday. Me know him and have a lot of people come here. So me say I buy fish and all of that. I'll wait for him to come give me the money to go buy the fish Saturday morning. The young place me see him over hospital with his 2 eyes open waiting to see me. His 2 eyes wide open. Lay down motionless, dead. And he eye them open. And the lady, one girl, come and say, Mommy, let me close your eye for you. I should lock down in 2 eyes when me reach there. You see, I'm in my way to see, baby. I'm in my way to see. But I don't have nobody else but me. My father, my mother, my sister, my auntie, my granny. Me are all in all to him. Me grow him. And me grow him and I feel proud about him. Me proud of him. It make me feel good. Because me see him say no turn no bad man. He not turn no criminal, he not turn no gunman, he not turn nothing that is bad. Him hold up his head.
Rum.
And then my grandson and me kill him. They kill him for nothing but God see. Everybody. God know everything. And what I don't do, and what you don't do, others will do it. But me as a granny, leave everything in the hands of God. Because I know who do it. Them will never sleep comfortable.
Oh boy. Rum.
Them not sleep comfortable. Their conscience going to dig them right through until the day them die. Because them kill an innocent man. I leave everything in the hands of God. And I can tell you, TikTokers, thanks. Thanks. All I want to tell thanks. Whether I don't have forgive, I don't have forgive, I give thanks and praise. I pay the condolence, I give thanks to all of you people. All of you people. Because you helped my grandson be what he is before him dead. You help, you all help. In the part where we choose to make a living, all I want to help. So I give you thanks. Thank you very much. And further on, as I make plans for him, to be buried, you all will hear. John Gotti will make the whole on hear. Who can come to support, give thanks. Who the foreigner can come, me still give thanks. To the whole on.
My brother, my finish not there, so my brother. You don't do nobody no more than go pay a TikTok, my brother. Oh God. Look at my brother last night, lifeless body, my could have kiss my brother and last miss my brother, yes, my brother run joke. I went there and wait for my brother to come home for drinking at night and talk. My brother come home. My brother, he is no more without you, my brother. I can't take it. My brother, I can't do this without you. I have to do this to me, my brother. Oh God. Brother, oh God, brother, trouble people. Oh God, Marvin. I can't sleep, I can't eat. My brother, I'm forever broken. Oh God, my brother. Oh God, my brother. You don't deserve this, my brother. You don't deserve this, Marvin. You don't trouble people. You don't see your TikTok run a joke. You don't do your ear and your foot will come back home to me. You don't make it, my brother. Because look for your lifeless body, my brother. You don't deserve this. I love you, my brother. I love you with all of my heart, my brother. When you're dead, me not sleep all now, me not eat. My brother, me broken. You broke me, my brother. My brother, you broke me. My brother, you should have died so today. You don't deserve it, they don't know fridge. You don't do nobody nothing. My brother, oh God, you don't left oh God for your TikTok. All you do is make joke and dance and they take you away from me, my brother. They take away my brother from me. Oh God, my brother. I can't sleep. I can't sleep, my brother. Yard is no more yard without you, my brother. I wish they could have taken me right now, too. Oh God, my brother. My brother, Marvin, I wish me could have seen you come out your car. Because you see you have your niece. You see you have Kayla and ramp with Kayla, my brother. Oh God, brother. Oh God. Oh God, my brother. You don't deserve this, my brother. You don't deserve this. Oh God. Jesus Christ. My brother had up our fridge. Oh God. Oh God. I wish if God could have given next chance, my brother. I wish your Father God could have given next chance, my brother. You don't deserve this, Jesus. Oh God. Oh God. My brother. My brother. My brother. My brother, me broken. Me miss my brother. I wish me could have called a phone. Oh God, my brother, me look for you last night. Lifeless body with a eye wide open. Only thing me could have done is kiss you and hug up you and tell me come home. My brother call me. Call me. I want to hear your voice. I want to hear your voice. He last joke me around yesterday. I said, my brother, I can't run KFC when you come.
Maybe life, stop there. You're not feel alive, but